Hi to everyone. Here in this video I want to show you how to treat some faded trims on your car which are not so shiny as they were from when the car was brand new. Here you can see what I mean. This is the rear window trim of my car. I think this is copper, but it needs some attention. And here is what I am going to use to make this trim more attractive. So guys, the first is this big guy. I am trying to use it for the cleaning the trim before apply some chrome shiny products. This is Koch-Chemie universal cleaner. Here you can see the part number. So I mixed it with the water and here is the final product, and now I will use this to clean the trim before once again I will apply the metal polish. The metal polish I will use here this autosol. I always use this stuff when I'm working on the metal or chrome surfaces, and regular microfiber towel. So let's start, guys. The first step is to degrease and clean this trim here. So now I will apply the mixed cleaner on the microfiber towel, and then I will clean this trim with it. So now this is the cleaning process itself. Now the trim is wet and it shines more than compared to the dry, but it dries very soon because here is hot as hell in my country, and here you can see how many dirt I removed from the trim. Now the trim is cleaned enough, and it is ready for the metal polish paste. I will use autosol metal polish paste. I'm repeating this, and now here you can see how I am applying this paste on the trim. I am not using any microfiber or sponge or some other materials. I apply it with my finger, and I do the round movements of my finger, and that's the way I used to, and I prefer to apply this metal polished paste on the surfaces. Here now I am avoiding any scratches or accidents which are not good when I apply this autosol metal polish paste with my hand, and also this is better for the feeling. The dirt is removed here with my finger, and I feel this procedure. So guys, I am repeating this up and down about 5 times in this area, and then I will buffle it with the microfiber towel, not do enough stress on the microfiber towel, simply will buff it off, and the result I will receive will be my final result. to be honest, it is impossible to treat this trim and make it shiny as it was when it was brand new, but my aim is now to make it better. So guys, the paste is applied, you can see here, and now let's try to buff it off. Also with the round movements, I am now buffing this paste of the trim, and I think that the trim is being looking shiner than it was on the previous stage. Make sure to buff it off from the rubber parts as well, because it's the white paste and it stays as a residue, but not a big deal. When you will wash your car, it will gone very easily. So guys, from the first view and look, now I see the trim is not a noticeable, but is a smaller shiner than it was, and of course this paste will secure it from the weather, and it will be more and more durable over the time. It takes about 10 minutes to do this job, and I think that the result is enough good to take a time and treat your trims on this young timer Mercedes-Benz cars. So guys, now I am continuing to work with this trim bottom section, and I'm now applying with the same way this autosol metal polish paste on the other section of the lower trim. This is the rear window, and the job is the same. At first degrease the trim, then apply the metal polish, then try to polish it with your finger, and then buffle it with the microfiber towel. So let's buffle now and see the final result. Yes, I think that it shines more than it was at the beginning of the job. So guys, let's see now a detail. And of course, I am now confirming that this method works. And now you can see that the copper trim shines more than it was at the beginning, and also this is polished, and the result is enough good. So guys, now I have done working with this rear window copper trim. I polished it whole, and am trying now to show you the final result. As you can see, the top of the trim is faded because the sun always hits here, and I can do anything. I polished it as well and as best as I could. And here is the final result. I think and I'm repeating now that the job is pretty straightforward. You only need some materials, and the result is enough good. Now I am going to do the job with the front window and with the other trims on my car. So if you like this video, please subscribe. Thank you for watching, and catch you in the next videos.